Hey, welcome to This Mama's House. Today we're going to talk about quick and simple breakfast ideas for busy mornings. Breakfast is often referred to as the most important meal of the day as it provides our bodies with the energy and nutrients we need to start the day off right. However, many of us find ourselves short on time in the morning, especially as moms. It makes it difficult to prepare a healthy and satisfying breakfast. But don't worry, with a little bit of planning and preparation, you can still enjoy a delicious and nutritious breakfast, even on the busiest of mornings. My channel, welcome. My name is Tabitha from thismamashouse.com. I'm a wife and homeschool mom to 6 children. On this channel, I talk all about homemaking, cooking, cleaning, and home management. If you're into that kind of stay-at-home mom life's content, you're gonna love my channel, and I would hope that you subscribe. If you're a returning viewer, hey, how are you? Drop down in the comments and let me know what you're up to these days. Today I wanna talk about quick and simple breakfast ideas for busy mornings, because I know as a mom, it can be very easy to get caught up in the chores of the morning and taking care of the children, and often you are almost to lunchtime and you realize that all you've had is your cup of coffee. Raise your hand if you have been there. That is no way to take care of your body, and the Bible tells us that whatever we do, whatever we eat or drink, do it for the glory of God. And I don't know about you, but I don't think drinking only coffee in the morning to sustain me while taking care of all these beautiful children is glorifying God. And also the Bible says that our bodies are temples of the Holy Spirit and we should take good care of them, because that is powerful. So let me share with you some of my ideas. I have recipes in this video. I am going to share with you why it's important to eat a good breakfast as a mother, and I am also going to share with you what time of day you should actually eat breakfast. So stay tuned for the entire video. I hope that this video blesses you and leaves you inspired to just put more effort into eating breakfast. I know that's one of my goals for this year, to eat a nourishing breakfast every single day, and I wanted to share with you what I've learned so far. First thing I wanted to share with you guys is some amazing recipes that you can make ahead of time to make breakfast in the morning easy. One of my favorite breakfasts, and the breakfast that I actually had this morning, was yogurt and berries. And I've just been topping that with the Azure Standard Blueberry Granola. It's been such a delicious and satisfying breakfast. You can mix plain yogurt, vanilla yogurt, whatever you like, with fresh or frozen berries for a quick and healthy breakfast. Berries are packed with antioxidants and vitamins. That makes it a great addition to your yogurt. Kind of makes it a fancy yogurt parfait. Plus the yogurt provides a good source of protein that will keep you full and sustained until lunchtime. And then the granola for the extra carbs. It just makes it such a good and filling breakfast that takes no time to put together. You don't even have to worry if you have fresh berries on hand, because you can use frozen berries, and that's exactly what I like to do. The next idea is Catalina Crunch, which is the easiest way to get a protein-packed breakfast super quick. This is a great topping for your yogurt, so I wanted to put this in next. And this portion of today's video is actually sponsored by Catalina Crunch, so thanks so much to them. But I've been eating Catalina Crunch for a really long time. I used to get it at Costco. I don't know if it's still available there, but back in the day they had these huge bags there, and I got it, and it was so tasty. I love it because it's packed with protein. You get 11 grams of protein and 9 grams of fiber in one serving of Catalina Crunch, and guess how much? Sugar. Zero grams of sugar in this delicious bowl of cereal. So this just makes it a great and easy way to get a plant-based protein into your body early in the morning, and you don't even have to do any preparation at all. My favorite is the honey graham flavor, but really it's hard because the chocolate peanut butter cereal is so delicious as well. We love to eat this on top of yogurt, like I said, or just with milk and cereal. It's so awesome to have a bowl of cereal. It just makes all my childhood dreams come true because I literally grew up on cereal, which I'm not saying is good, but Catalina Crunch it's so much better than your traditional cereals. This is packed with just amazing goodness. It's low carb and high in protein, and it's made with clean ingredients, nothing artificial. Catalina Crunch is gluten-free, grain-free, 100% vegan, non-GMO, and it satisfies your hunger, keeping you full longer. It's so awesome to enjoy a bowl of cereal guilt-free. So my goal of eating a healthy breakfast just got a whole lot easier with Catalina Crunch. They are offering an amazing discount for you guys. So click below and use my code THISMAMA to get 15% off plus free shipping on any Catalina Crunch cereal pack and an even bigger discount if you subscribe. You can try a variety pack, which includes a selection of their best-selling flavors, or if you already have a favorite flavor in mind, order a 4-pack of that. Be sure to take advantage of this while it lasts. So many tasty flavors. I love that it has a good nutritional value. It's really quick and easy. Cocoa Puffs. Tastes exactly like Cocoa Puffs. The next easy and quick breakfast is avocado toast. You can use any type of toast you like. I love using sourdough bread, but you just use an avocado and you mash it right on top. Avocado toast, sprinkling some everything bagel seasoning. It makes it extra yummy, and this takes no time at all. It's super filling. It's a great source of healthy fats and fiber, and that will keep you full and energized throughout the morning. Plus, the toast provides a good source of carbohydrates, which will give you the energy you need to tackle the day ahead. Smoothies. Blend together your favorite fruits, spinach, yogurt, and milk, and you have a quick and easy breakfast on the go. Smoothies are a great way to get in a variety of nutrients in one glass. You can even add protein powder, peanut butter, flax seeds, whatever you like to make it even more filling. Hard-boiled eggs. Having a bunch of hard-boiled eggs ready to go in the refrigerator makes a protein-packed breakfast so easy. You can grab one and go. It requires nothing but a little preparation ahead of time. So boil a bunch of eggs the night before and you'll have a bunch of eggs throughout the whole week. Eggs are a great source of protein as well as a variety of other essential nutrients. Oatmeal. I like to make a big batch of oatmeal once a week, and it can easily be stored in a container in the refrigerator and warmed up throughout the week. You can just grab a scoop and then add your favorite toppings. You can add honey, nuts, fruits, or seeds for a delicious and nutritious breakfast. Breakfast burritos are one of my favorite meals to have in the morning, and you can have these prepared ahead of time. Scramble eggs and wrap them in a tortilla. You can have veggies, cheese, sausage, bacon, whatever you like for a portable breakfast that's easy to grab. Make a big batch of muffins and you can keep these in the freezer to grab and go whenever you need a quick meal in the morning. You can add bananas, blueberries, have them ready to go in the freezer for later, and they're a great serving of whole grains and fruit. Another great breakfast is a banana sandwich. It's so easy. Just take some bread, peanut butter, layer on a banana, and you're good to go with an easy to hold breakfast while you're running out the door or you're trying to get everybody ready in the morning. So definitely try out some of these breakfast recipes. If you have any more ideas, I love making waffles ahead of time. Just a huge batch, they freeze easy. It's just like having Eggos but homemade. What are some other breakfast recipes that you can make ahead of time to make breakfast easy on the go? Let us know down in the comments because we always need more ideas from fellow moms. Now we're gonna get into how to actually meal prep for breakfast. Meal prepping is a great way to ensure that you have healthy and delicious breakfast options ready to go, even on the busy mornings. So here are some tips on how to meal prep breakfast. Plan ahead. Before you begin meal prepping, take some time to plan out your meals for the week. Consider your schedule when planning your meals. Choose recipes that can be made in advance. That's what we were talking about. Those recipes are so easy because you can make them the night before. Look for recipes that can be made in advance, stored in the fridge or freezer for later. Things like smoothie packs, overnight oats, frittatas, egg muffins. There's lots of options. Pancakes even freeze well too. Homemade French toast sticks. Let me tell you, there are some good recipes out there. Make use of leftovers. If you have leftovers from dinner, maybe you could consider incorporating them into your breakfast the next day. For example, you can make a breakfast burrito using leftover grilled vegetables and chicken. Also, cooking in bulk. When meal prepping breakfast, it's more efficient to cook in bulk. So if you're already making waffles for breakfast that day, just make a huge batch and freeze some for later. So why is eating breakfast even important for moms? Well, for one, it provides energy. All of these children need a lot of our energy, and if we're not getting breakfast in the morning, we're gonna be short on energy. This is especially important for moms who have a lot of responsibilities and tasks to accomplish throughout the day. Eating breakfast improves your mood and concentration. Eating breakfast has been linked to improved mood and concentration throughout the day. This can be especially beneficial for moms who need to be focused and alert while caring for their children. Eating breakfast can help control your weight. Eating breakfast has been shown to help control weight by preventing overeating later in the day. This is especially beneficial for moms who are trying to maintain a healthy weight while balancing their busy schedule. This one is huge. This sets a good example to your children. They are watching you, mama, and if you eat a good and healthy breakfast, they're gonna want to eat one too, because they wanna be just like you. By modeling healthy eating habits, moms can teach their children the importance of starting the day with a nutritious meal. Eating breakfast helps to prevent nutritional deficiencies. Having a baby and going through pregnancy and childbirth can be very demanding on your body, and you want to make sure that you are filling it with nutritious food as much as you can. Now, when exactly is the best time to eat breakfast? Some people fast. Intermittent fasting is a thing. In my personal experience and my feeling, I think that it's most important to eat breakfast within an hour of waking up. Eating breakfast early in the morning can help regulate your blood sugar levels, boost your metabolism, and provide you with the energy you need to start your day. It also helps to keep your hunger levels in check throughout the day. When you eat breakfast soon after waking up, you are less likely to feel overly hungry later in the morning, which can lead to overeating or making poor food choices. Stop at the fast food lane, anyone? It's important not to actually skip breakfast altogether or delaying it too long, because that can lead to low blood sugar levels, fatigue, and poor concentration. Eating a healthy breakfast within an hour of waking up will usually set you up for a productive day. So I hope you enjoyed hearing all about quick and easy ways that you can get a nutrient-dense meal ready for you early in the morning, even on busy days. If you did enjoy this video, I would really love if you gave this video a thumbs up. Please stay tuned to more videos. I'm going to be talking about lunch and dinner ideas, and make sure you drop down into the description box all sorts of fun links to my blog post with these recipes that I shared, and also that link and discount code This Mama for Catalina Crunch. Thanks so much for sponsoring today's video, and let's talk about some more breakfast ideas down in the comments. And I'm getting kind of hungry, so I think I'm gonna make some brunch. We'll see you guys later. Bye.